Hey friends, today I'm showing you how to install an LED light bulb. I guess it's not really a bulb, an LED, into your vanity mirror. And this is for a 2016 Toyota Tundra. But these lights I got off of Amazon, they're for 2007 to 2019. What you want to do is get your tool right under here at the bottom and pop that out. Alright, remove your light bulb. It looks like a little fuse in there. Okay. Take your LED, and that's the one that looks just like that, and pop it in here. Before you put your cover back on, test it. Didn't come on. So your LED is not broken. Don't worry. Simply remove this, flip it around, and put it back in. And open it up again. And there you go. Alright, my friends, to get the cover back on, this goes up first into the crack here. And then you push that down right there and it snaps into place. And there you have it. That was kind of embarrassing. So, I guess if you leave the doors open too long, everything shuts off so it doesn't waste your battery. But anyways, there you have it. Super bright lights. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. I'll be putting all the LED lights on the inner cab, and you can check those out too. So thanks for watching this video. And as always, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can buy these Firefly lights from Amazon for your Toyota Tundra. Thanks for watching.